Today, we will learn the most reliable candle pattern in all of trading. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. There's more content coming. What are tweezer bottoms?
That's good.
There are 4 traits to tweezer bottoms. Trait 1 is that there is a red candle down. Trait 2 is that there is a green candle up. Trait 3 is that they have visibly the same bottom. And trait 4 is that the stochastic slope is below 30. Trait 1, red candle down. Trait 2, the red candle is followed by a green candle up. Trait 3, these candles have visibly the same bottom. Trait 4, the stochastic slope is below 30. At this point, you can either buy calls or buy long. Then watch your profits run. Next, you'll need to take a nap after counting all of your money. What are tweezer tops? Comment below what video you would like to see us make next. I'd like to hear your suggestions on what we should be doing. There are 4 traits of tweezer tops. Trait 1 is that there is a green candle up. Trait 2 is that there is a red candle down. Trait 3 is that both candles have visibly the same top and the stochastic slope is over 70. Trait 1, a green candle up. The green candle is then followed by a red candle down. These candles have visibly the same top. And lastly, the stochastic slope is above 70. At this point in time, you can short or buy puts and watch your profits run. Please hit the thumbs up and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will be making more content like this regularly.